a problem with this is a website I am looking to insert to my document, so you can able to see it here. So by default, if I try to insert this one, data, from website, so I already copied this one, I already pasted it. Okay, so it will be a more than 290 something company over here. So unfortunately it's showing only 100. Let me check into it. Okay, 292 companies. For me, by default, if I select this one, it automatically come to like this. I don't want to like this. I need to get the over here. You can select it over here. Sri Lanka all step, that one. So if I select that one and I copy, it will come to 300 something record. So let me copy paste. Control C. Select a new table and paste it. Okay, you can see that one 316 recorded. So unfortunately, by default, it's come with the most active company list all there. So I need to get it here. Not the CSC all shares, I need to get a by default CS Sri Lanka all stock like that. For that I need to change it from here, small module like that. For example, I'm going to open it another sheet, again copy in data, query and source from website. From here I need to edit something and not to advanced. So if you can able to do it from advanced, it's better. Anything, whatever you do it, if I can able to get the 316 called listed company over here, so that's good for me. Let me show you. There's some framework there, not a framework, XML something. You have to modify that XML, then it will come show. View, transfer data, then you will get this data. Previously I selected load data, now I'm selected transfer data. From here you can edit it extra work there, so you can able to edit it here, query based editor, and you can able to adjust some other what we call link, everything. If you know how to do that one, so it's really helpful to me. Please let me know if you can. Okay, and then close and load, so automatically appear. Sometimes it's going to be create a new table, not new sheet. Yeah, it's going to be create a new sheet. Yeah. That's it. That's all I need to. So after that, I can able to edit only 292. So I need a 360 15 companies there, but if you can get that one data to here Excel without copy pasting like that, they are helpful. Okay, for if you need to edit it, this one query again, and there's a edit button over here, edit, first click edit, otherwise you just go here, design, query over here, and there's called source editing, source splitting, manage margin query, data source settings here, and from here you can edit it some kind of changes. So I already followed some YouTube videos, unfortunately I can't figure thing out, so if you can able to do it, please let me know. So I'm going to send this link to you. Okay, don't say these are the website. I'm going to investing.com equity Sri Lanka Sri Lanka. Okay, by default if you load it, CSE all shares will appear, but I don't need that one. I need to get Sri Lanka all stock. So I asked one of my friends, they said there's some option called infections, like a CS, that this query running by JavaScript or something. From here we have to select it some changes and copy it and transfer to Excel sheet. Like if you can, okay, thank you.